Hi, today we're going to take a unboxing review look at BLU-RAY, the Pink Panther 2 DVD. I have actually got this and put it up at the dollar store. Can you believe this? Like a $30 DVD that you find in the store, because it is BLU-RAY. Well, actually, it probably won't be 30, it'd be probably more like 25, because, it's BLU-RAY. Because usually, like, the $30 price one is the combo where you get the BLU-RAY, the standard, and your digital. But yeah, I mean, it is kind of pricey, and you're paying $1 at the dollar store. That's like unheard of. But yeah, now I have seen the dollar store is starting to sell DVDs there, movies there. A lot of them, like, I would say garbage, but they do have some gems in there. Like this one. First time I ever seen a BLU-RAY at a dollar store. I've seen ones like this, like the Digimon, Red vs. Blue, Halo thing, Yu-Gi-Oh! Zetsu. So they do have like some top-notch ones there, like these. But I mean, a BLU-RAY. Someone on YouTube. I don't feel it's Leonhardt. I want to say Unileaf. Maybe it was him. Or Maxflow. It was one of those Pokemon YouTube channels that they actually went to dollar store and they found this Pokemon Detective Pikachu at the dollar store. I was like, what? Man, you got a great deal on that. Good job. Good job. Because I had paid full price for this one. But yeah, check dollar stores. Dollar stores will have these DVDs. They're not going to have the same ones. Different ones will have different ones. But yeah, dollar store definitely. And if you're wondering if this is a used DVD that, dollar store somehow got a hold of, no. It still has all the original seals on it. So it's brand new in the package. So, yeah. So this is kind of like from the newer Pink Panther movies. There was the other one, like, with Inspector Clouseau. I think it was called Son of the Pink Panther. And there was another one that was like Son of the Pink Panther Part 2. It would have been nice if they had all the Pink Panther. The older movies, these newer movies, the cartoon, the reboot of the cartoon.